A dazzling example of such professionalism is the next formation, Tejas, which is led by a group captain and Air Chief.
Coming in from your left again, you can now. Here comes the Varuna formation of the way. The pilot has been given a takeoff clearance by the air traffic control and is now ready to roll. After this majestic takeoff, the aircraft is climbing to just a mere 500 feet for its first maneuver. As the aircraft turns right at 500 feet, it will demonstrate its first maneuver. This maneuver is a roll demonstration, a series of neatly crafted rolls that displays the roll agility of the aircraft at speeds of 200 to 300 knots. Look to your right, ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft is coming in for a series of neatly crafted rolls. That is 2 rolls to the right, 1 follow to the left. Now, as the aircraft pitches up to the right, it is time to witness the agility of the aircraft to carry out a max straight turn. Look at the ease at which the aircraft is able to carry out this maneuver. Now the aircraft is performing a minimum radius turn right in front of you. Can you imagine such a fast aircraft carrying out such a short turn? And is literally hanging in midair, just suspended by his safety straps. As the pilot recovers, rapidly changing direction, he is going to fly in front of us for the next maneuver. The pilot with ease will pull up and The aircraft is on short panels for landing, and even though the landing is a mere 700 to 900 meters, to conserve brakes and tires, it is a norm to carry out aerodynamic braking and use tail shoots. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Tejas Mark 1 Alpha, its pilot and the team that has
pilots will execute a wing over to the left and position for a barrel roll to the right. Started as HAL's own program, HTT-40 has been under development since 2013. The first prototype of HTT-40 performed its experimental flight on 31st May 2016. The pilot pulls up for the barrel roll. For a barrel roll to the left this time. During the barrel roll, the pilot pulls up for a loop and then roll the aircraft to change his direction by 90 degrees. He continues with the loop while rolling the aircraft to recover the original direction. Please look up for the loop. The barrel roll is a maneuver known for coordinated and precise rolling and pitching. The aircraft is now recovering and coming in for a horizontal figure of 8 maneuver. After completing the wing over, the pilot is now positioning to execute a horizontal figure of 8. For executing this maneuver, the pilot will start a loop and go through the first half. Then before completing the loop, while the aircraft is on its back and pointing at the ground in an inverted dive, he will flip the aircraft. The pilot has thus completed the one side of the horizontal 8. He will now start another loop and repeat the maneuver to complete the other half of horizontal 8. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a horizontal